Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We are going to open up our brand new Craftsman hedge trimmer today, but before we get started, I'm going to finish my morning coffee. In front of us now is the Craftsman 22-inch power saw hedge trimmer. It's got a 3-year limited warranty. We purchased this from our local Lowe's. This is battery operated cordless, which was very important to us. There's the part number there for your convenience. And it is a power saw with a 3/4 inch cut capacity. Pretty neat. On the back side of the box talks about a couple features here. Comes with a 20-volt battery and it is hangable, which is a cool feature. Full wraparound handle for comfort when you're holding the trimmer. Again, 22-inch dual action blades as shown here. And the power saw for branches up to 1.5 inches thick. That's pretty good for a hedge trimmer. Anything larger than that, you may need a chainsaw. Down at the bottom is the specifications placard. Voltage, again 20-volt max battery, CSPM 2800, 3/4 inch cut capacity, 22 inches long, and the weight of the hedge trimmer with the battery installed, 6.35 pounds. Pretty light. Let's go ahead and open it. With the box upright, on top is the battery and the charger. Let's go ahead and remove that and continue opening it. You've got your owner's manual, and well protected with a case or cover are the blades and the hedge trimmer. Let's pull it out. Everything's out of the box. You've got your battery charger, your operator's manual, and your hedge trimmer. Let's go ahead and plug in the battery and let that charge while we learn more about the parts of your hedge trimmer. Charger's plugged in. Align the battery properly. As you can see here, slide it in place till it locks, just like that, and we'll let it charge for a couple hours. Back outside, let's get more familiar with the parts of your hedge trimmer. Go ahead and open up your operator's manual, page number 1. You've got a pictorial image, you've got numbers that point to the parts, and down below you got the corresponding part numbers and what each part is. Number 1 is your trigger switch, and reference your pictorial image, you'll notice it's right there. And for safety purposes during shipping, it is tie strap. What we'll do is grab something to carefully and safely cut that tie strap, because obviously you will need to do that before using your hedge trimmer. Number 2 is your lock off switch, and as you can see here, lock off switch is right under here. Number 3 is your switch handle, and number 3 basically right here, and you'll notice the grooves, and it's very comfortable and really nice rubber for a good friendly grip. And with that design, if you are hedge trimming without gloves, your hands should not be harmed during your projects. Number 4 is your blade guard. Number 4, this big blade guard right here, solid plastic. Number 5 is your bale handle, and right there, and that is this big circular handle here, and this is solid plastic as well with an engineered designed grooved grip in it as well. Number 6 is your blade, and right now the sheath cover is on it, and what I'll do right now is switch to number 7. That is the sheath. Again, number 7, it basically is a protective cover for your blades. And to remove it, all you have to do is carefully shift it all the way down and off, just like that. Take a look at those blades. Very sharp and very impressive. Number 8 is your battery housing. Number 9 is your battery pack. Number 8, battery housing. Number 9, your battery pack. We just plugged the battery in. However, on the back side or bottom side, whatever you want to call it, is your battery housing. Nothing too fancy about that. Number 10 is your battery release button, and that will come in play once your battery is actually installed. And once it's installed, your battery has a button that you push to release your battery to pull it out when it needs to be charged. And number 11 is your power saw. Check that out. And that is a pretty serious saw for this type of hedge trimmer. That's pretty impressive. In addition, what I want to do is go to page 8 and 9 and become familiar with this. Read it. It talks about a few features or recommendations on how to properly use the hedge trimmer for best results. And the one thing I want to reference, since we're talking about the power saw, is step number 5. For branches too large for the blade, which is number 6 right here, use the power saw, which is number 11, which we just talked about. And what I will do is I will demonstrate using both of the blades and the power saw. So again, take a couple minutes and read your operator's manual. And we'll see in a couple hours after that battery charges. And real quick, while that battery charges, this hedge trimmer is part of the exact same family as the Craftsman power drill kit. And what that means is it is universal power wise or battery wise. So I can take the batteries that came in this power drill kit and install it on the hedge trimmer, and it is a perfect match and perfect fit. Same exact battery, same exact charger system. I love that kit. Thanks, Mom and Dad. And here's one of the things we're going to be cutting. You'll notice this tree shrub encroaches on our sidewalk, and you got to walk way around it. And there's 3 of them. Also in the backyard, as we make our way down, we've got this big tree, and I'm on the deck right now, and we are going to manage that over the years with the hedge trimmer. I removed that plastic tie strap. I wanted to show you the lock off switch. See that little tab right there? Pushing it forward will allow you to compress the trigger and turn on your hedge trimmer. Also on the very bottom, there is that little hook that you will pull out, and you can now hang your hedge trimmer on the wall or on a hook in the garage, which is a really cool feature. The battery is fully charged when the green light no longer blinks. Go ahead and release this, and let's go install it. Align the battery properly and slide it into place until it clicks. From here, test it. I always recommend wearing eye protection for safety purposes. And I'm not going to go overboard, I just want to clear up the walkway. And I will continue this all the way down. Now it's time to put the power saw to use. Very impressive, clean cut. Now to the backyard. That's it, DIYers. Hopefully the video helped. This morning I was drinking coffee, and now I'm drinking a mixture of coffee and chocolate milk. Hopefully the video helped. Do us a favor, below the video you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.